गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद है कि ठीक होंगे। वेलकम यू ऑल इन इंग्लिश क्लास। इन टुडेज रिवीजन वी विल नो हाउ टू सॉल्व रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन। डू यू नो व्हाट इज रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन? रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन को हम अनसीन पैसेजेस भी कहते हैं। रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन को सॉल्व करने से हमारी रीडिंग स्किल डेवलप होती है। वी कैन एनहेंस our knowledge, thinking power and reading skill after solving the reading comprehension. In previous video, we have solved extract based questions. I already told you that how to solve extracts. Extracts में poem या passage आपकी बुक से ही होते हैं, but reading comprehension में passages या story पूरी तरह से unknown means unseen होते हैं। अनसीन मीन्स जिसको आपने पहले देखा या पढ़ा ना हो, बट कभी कभी कुछ पैसेजेस ऐसे होते हैं जिनके बारे में आपको पहले से पता होता है। मीन्स उसके बारे में आपने किसी स्टोरी में या किसी बुक में पढ़ा हुआ होता है। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हाउ टू सॉल्व अ रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन। फर्स्टली, रीड द पैसेज एंड क्वेश्चंस केयरफुली। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चंस प्रॉपरली। After that, find out the answers of the questions and write them in your notebook. कभी कभी कुछ क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स डायरेक्टली नहीं लिखे होते, तो आपको उनके आंसर्स को समझ के लिखना होता है। To understand comprehension more clearly, let's solve the first comprehension sent to you in revision 25. Firstly, read the passage carefully. The lion is called the king of forest. Once there lived a lion in a forest. Once he got trapped. He tried so hard, but he could not get out of the trap. A kind man passed away from there. The lion requested and he got pleased. He opened the net. But as soon as he came out of the net, he tried to eat the kind-hearted man. The man was left with no option. He requested the lion to leave him. At the same time, a fox came there. He listened the whole story. He asked the lion how he could fit in that trap. Listening this question for many times, the tiger became angry and he put himself in the net. Thus, the fox saved the man by his wisdom. Now, see the questions. The first is, who is called the king of the forest? See the passage. In the first line, it is mentioned that the lion is called the king of forest. So your answer is, the lion is called the king of forest. Second question is, where did the lion live? See the passage. Answer is, the lion lived in a forest. Third question is, did the lion get out of the trap? See the passage. It is mentioned here that he tried so hard, but he could not get out of the trap. So, your answer will be, no, the lion did not get out of the trap. Fourth question is, what did the kind-hearted man do? See passage again. It's mentioned that the lion requested him and he got pleased. So, he opened the net. So, your answer is, the kind-hearted man opened the net. Fifth question is, what did the lion do when he came out of the net? Just see the passage. It's mentioned that as he came out of the net, he tried to eat that kind-hearted man. So according to the question we will write, when the lion came out of the net, he tried to eat the kind-hearted man. Next question is, what did the fox ask? See the passage. He asked the lion how he could fit in that trap. We will write, he asked the lion how he could fit in that trap. Question number 7 is, how did the fox save the man? Answer is, the fox saved the man by his wisdom. So we will write, the fox saved the man by his wisdom. Next question is, write the word from the passage which means the same as happy. इसका मतलब आपको पैसेज से ऐसे वर्ड को सर्च करना है जिसकी मीनिंग सेम एज हैप्पी होती है। तो पैसेज में ऐसा वर्ड प्लीज्ड है। So we will write placed here. Now, let's see your second reading comprehension. The passage is, once in a village there lived a poor girl. Her name was Tara. She lived with her mother. She was so poor that she was not able to get food also. Once she met a woman. The woman gave her a magical pot and said, take this pot. Whenever you are hungry, just say, cook pot, cook, and it will cook food for you. And when you will say, stop pot, stop, it will stop cooking food. And thus, Tara began to live happily with her mother. See the questions. The first is, where did the girl live? See the passage. It's mentioned that once in a village there lived a poor girl. So you will write, the girl lived in a village. Second question is, what was the name of the girl? See the passage. It's mentioned that her name was Tara. So you will write, the name of the girl was Tara. Third question is, with whom did she live? Tara किसके साथ रहती थी? It's mentioned that she lived with her mother. So you will write that she lived with her mother. Fourth question is, whom did Tara meet one day? एक दिन तारा किससे मिली? It's mentioned here that she met a woman. So you will write, one day Tara met a woman. Question number 5 is, what did the woman give Tara? उस woman ने तारा को क्या दिया? See here, the woman gave her a magical pot. So you will write, the woman gave her a magical pot. Next question is, what was special about the pot? अब आप कहेंगे, मैम पैसेज में तो ये कहीं लिखा ही नहीं है कि पॉट के बारे में क्या स्पेशल था. Here it's mentioned that the pot was magical. So you will write that the pot was magical. Next question is, what did Tara need to say when she wanted to stop cooking? यहाँ पर दो चीजें हैं. कुकिंग को बिगिन करने के लिए क्या बोलना था? कुक पॉट कुक. बट क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है कि कुकिंग को स्टॉप करने के लिए क्या बोलना था. तो आप लिखेंगे स्टॉप पॉट स्टॉप. सो योर आंसर विल बी, Tara needed to say stop pot stop when she wanted to stop cooking. Next and last question is, write the name of your favorite food. अब इसका आंसर तो आपको अपने मन से ही लिखना होगा क्योंकि हर किसी का फेवरेट फूड अलग अलग होता है. सो मैं अपना फेवरेट फूड लिखूंगी that my favorite food is dosha. My dear students, I hope now you have understood how to solve a reading comprehension. Today we have solved 2 comprehensions. In next video we will solve 2 more comprehensions. So keep on watching and enjoying videos. Again we will meet in next class. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.